Today I'll show you the engine coolant drain points on a Lexus RX450h 2014. This hybrid V6 engine has 3 coolant drain points, 2 on the engine block and 1 on the radiator. I'll start with the one you see here, located on the left side of the engine near the firewall. It has a small drain valve. Attach a hose like I do in the video, then loosen it with a 10 mm socket and let the coolant drain. Next, we move to the second drain point, located on the right side of the engine block, closer to the front of the vehicle. Same thing here, attach the hose, loosen the valve, and wait until the coolant stops draining. And the third drain point is on the radiator, right in the center at the bottom. Attach a hose if you want a clean drain. This one can be opened by hand. And that's it, all 3 coolant drain points shown. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real workshop videos.